Hello, IK here. Welcome to React AI e-commerce full course from beginner to advanced. Lesson 12, step-by-step app rendering after a refresh. Rendering is triggered by a useSelector or useState when the state changes. Repeat it a lot of time. Rendering is triggered by useSelector or useState when the state changes. Okay, one. Start initial rendering of app. Initial state in Redux Store. Here it is. Constant initial state equal departments array empty status idle error null. After that, in that initial rendering of app, we have follow initial rendering of header, initial rendering of departments list, initial rendering of articles list. And articles list have use effect. And because of that, articles list again re-rendering articles list, re-rendering because state status changed to loading. Here it is, articles empty array, status loading, error null. Status loading, error null. And again, re-rendering articles list because state changes to status changes in succeeded, from loading to succeeding, and articles now is full list of full array. Okay. With that three renderings, articles is finished with rendering. And after articles, we have initial rendering of footer. And after that, re-rendering up because state status changed in loading from idle to loading. You will see in the next video where it is that idle loading and succeeded. It is connected with Redux. And here is loading, status change in loading, departments empty, not changed, empty array, error null, and after that we have again re-rendering up because it is third time, because the state status changed to succeeded and departments is now a full array. You see, departments is full array and succeeded its status. After that, re-rendering of departments list because departments array is now full. End of app rendering after refresh. The user interface is now on the screen, built from these child components. Child components is over app components. We don't see app components. We see child components. Header, the group of links. Departments list, horizontal menu. In user interface, it is horizontal menu. Articles, all articles. Here it is, all articles. Footer is information, different information. Summary. App changes its state 3 times. Idle, loading, succeeded. Because of this, it renders 3 times. Header and footer render only once because they have no state. Departments list has Redux state, so it renders twice, but different acquire that state. Acquire due to users twice, only twice, not 3, like app or articles, but 2 due to useSelector. We will see in the future about it. ArticlesList renders 3 times because its state also changes idle loading succeeded. Press F12 on your keyboard and watch all renderings in the console. You will see 10 total times of rendering is 10. 3 times rendering up, 3 times articles, it is 6, 2 times departments, it is 8, and header 1 times, and footer 1 times. This is all for this lesson. If you know somebody that needs video like that, tell them, share this YouTube course. It will be more and more interesting when Google begin sharing other tools about YouTube course. This moment, YouTube course and playlist, no difference. But it is beginning. Step by step, Google give us the tools step by step. If you know somebody, tell them about this. And if you like it. If you want, subscribe, comment. And okay, thank you for watching.